In this module, we will look at some charting tools that we can apply to the spreadsheet that we created recently. We'll also use the chart wizard to help us create the chart that we're going to depict. To get started, let's choose the 4 locations, namely east, south, west, and north. And now, you'll now choose 2 parts of columns. Let's choose A5 to A8, and let's choose C5 to C8, but we have to hold down the control key, and then we can select accordingly by dragging down. And now let's put in a chart, and let's do it by going to where it says insert, and we'll put in a chart. Let's choose pie, and let us choose a 3D pie. We will now give it a title. Let's go to where it says chart layouts and click on the first one. As you can see, it automatically put in the percentages and the different locations, the east, south, west, and north. And by chart title, let's click on it, and we'll put in a title that would be most appropriate. Let's write in quarterly sales for WPC, and we'll put in for 2011. Okay, let's continue. We can now change the colors from the various designs that are up here. Take a look. Let's first choose the chart, and we will then take a look at some of these colors. So to choose a chart, you have to click on it and go to the top and see which one looks most appealing. Now we can also pull out part of the chart so that it's called an exploding chart. To do that, we can click on the segment we want to pull out. So for example, let's assume we want to pull out the west. If we click on this twice and then hold down and drag out, you can now see it is separated from the rest. We can get more control of both exploding and also rotating the chart by clicking on the chart and then right-clicking and choosing where it says Format Data Series. And as you can see now, we have, let's move this down so you'll see it better. We can now play with the rotation, and as we move it over, you see that the pie chart moves as well. We can decide how much we want it to move. And also the pie explosion, if we are careful with that, we can expand it to more than one section if that appeals to us. Otherwise, we can bring it in, or we can do what we did before, namely select one of the sections and just a matter of dragging it out to meet our needs. To even have a stronger effect, if we would right-click like we did a moment ago and go to Format Data Series, you'll see that one of the choices is 3D format, and if we choose, for example, the top one, we can have a bevel effect. If we click on bevel, and whichever one again appeals to us, let's just say the first one for now, and We can close it, and we can see what changes have been made. Let's change the chart from a pie chart to a bar chart just to see some different effects as well. If we click on it, we can go to change chart type, and let's choose the column chart, and let's choose the first one to see what it looks like. Let's click on OK, and as you can see, automatically things change. Notice the shape of the bar. It has more of like a bevel shape, and that is a result of what we did to the data just a few moments ago.